Okay, so we're back, and this is a gasket I think goes on the radiator or the gas cap. This is this looks like the oil pump drive gear. Oil pump drive gear. Okay, this is the thermostat. So again, it does not look like at all like any kind of thermostats we have today, but that's what that is. This is some kind of gasket. Looks like a oil drain plug gasket. This is these are a bunch of I would guess head bolts. Yep, that's what those are. Studs for the head. And these are okay, so what these are is plug adapters. These plug adapters would allow you to use the modern day kind of spark plugs with the motor if you didn't have the old style spark plugs. Kind of only available by special order. These are distributor bushings. Little brass bushings there, and this looks like some gaskets for the carburetor. Okay, and in this box is oh, this is my new fan. So the original fan that they had on the Model A was a two-blade fan, and that two-blade fan was made out of metal that was pressed together, and so I will get that old fan and show you what that looked like real quick. You can pause it if you want.